Welcome, dear soul. Thank you for taking a few moments to care for your mind, body, and inner well-being. A daily meditation practice can help reduce stress, improve focus, bring emotional balance, and promote a deep sense of calm. Even just a few minutes each day can help you become more present, more patient, and better able to handle life's challenges with clarity. This is your time to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Find a comfortable position. Keep your spine straight. Allows your body to relax. And when you are ready, softly close your eyes and imagine a golden light surrounding you. Now take a gentle, slow breath in and gently breathe out. Repeat it. Again breathe in, filling your lungs with fresh, peaceful energy. And breathe out, letting go of any tension and worry. Allows your breathing to settle into natural, comfortable rhythm. With each inhale, invite a sense of calm. With each exhale, release stress and mental noise. Bring your attention to present moment. Notice the gentle movement of your breath. Feel your body become so relaxed. If thoughts arise, simply notice them without judgment and gently return your attention to your breathing. Imagine a warm, soft light surrounding you. The peaceful light fills your mind with clarity, your heart with kindness, and your whole being with quiet strength. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am calm. I am present. I am peaceful. I welcome clarity and balance into my life. Remain here for a few quiet moments, breathing naturally. The heavenly light sparkling and surrounding you. Your inner light becomes brighter. Every breath brings wisdom and peace. Take a slow, deep breathing and slowly breathe out. Notice how peaceful your heart feels. Now begin to deepen your breath. Gently become aware of your surrounding. Move slowly your fingers and your toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of peace and balance and mindfulness throughout your day. Om Shanti.